Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your login email in Telegram on your PC step by step. Updating your login email helps improve your account's security and ensures you to recover your account more easily if needed. So let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Security section. Here, look for the Login Email or Login Email Address option and click on it. If you haven't added an email address before, the field may appear empty. If an email address is already linked to your account, it will be partially hidden for privacy reasons. Click on the Email option to open the email settings. From the available options, select Change Email. Now enter your new email address in the provided field and continue. Telegram will send a verification code to the new email address you entered. Open your email inbox and find the verification message from Telegram. Copy the verification code and return to Telegram. Enter the code in the verification field and confirm the change. Once the code is verified, your login email will be successfully updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram login email on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.